Let's take a look at the Atmos Vicod 5G. This unit is a starter unit for those who are new to the vaping world. Inside the box you will find the Vicod 5G vaporizer, one packing device, one flat mouthpiece, one glass mouthpiece extension, one cleaning brush, one concentrate cup, one USB charger, one user manual. You also get a free grinder ordering with us. Here are some cool features about this unit. Super sleek design that is 4 inches tall, 1.5 inch wide, and very easy to carry around. Quick heat up time of 30 seconds, offers dual functionality to vaporize wax or dry herb. It is equipped with a ceramic convection heating oven, which is quite rare for a starter vaporizer, bright and precise digital temperature control. This unit is very easy to operate. To turn the unit on, press the on button 5 times and the same button 5 times to turn the unit off. To load the unit, take the top mouthpiece off and load your ground dry herb inside the chamber. To load your wax canister, simply place your wax inside the canister and slide it into the chamber. To set the temperature, press the up or down button and wait for the unit to heat up. The temperature on the Vicod 5G ranges from 149 to 224 degrees Celsius. The unit automatically starts heating up to the same temperature as it was previously set. To change from Celsius to Fahrenheit, press the on button and the up arrow button at the same time. And to change from Fahrenheit to Celsius, press the on button and the down arrow button at the same time. The best temperature for this unit using dry herb is in between 185 to 210 degrees Celsius, and for wax between 195 to 220 degrees Celsius. I'm Josh from Tools420, your vaporizer store, and thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you find it useful. If you're looking for this unit, the link will be in the description section below. If you already have this unit, please share your thoughts in the comment section below.